Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how you guys can use your PlayStation Portal away, like from home. You don't have to be like right in front of your PlayStation 5 to use it. You can use it outside, etc. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys have to do is go over to settings. From settings, click on system, and then from system go down to power saving. And from here, what you want to do is you want to click on features available in rest mode, and you want to make sure that these stay connected to the internet and enable turning on PS5 from network is activated. Because once these are on, like even if your PlayStation 5 does go into rest mode, the network will still be connected, which is really all that matters. And the PlayStation 5 will also be active. So that should be good to go, which basically means you can also always just use it. Like, oh, also go to set time until PS5 rest mode. So set time until PS5 enters rest mode, and I'd recommend doing like after 5 hours, but it's up to you. But anyways, yeah, so, or you could do while playing. Actually, no, that doesn't really matter. It's just the first one. But yeah, and basically what this does is that when you're outside now, even if your PlayStation 5 does go into rest mode, let's just say after 4 or 5 hours, etc., it's still going to be connected to the internet. And what that is going to do is that's going to allow you to be connected to the PlayStation Portal as well. So that's basically going to mean as long as you have Wi-Fi connected to the PS Portal, you should be good to go and you will be able to play your games from anywhere. And yeah, that is basically it. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Just make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.